Have you ever heard about making your first $1,000 online without needing any experience, a ton of time, or financial risk? It might sound too good to be true, but today, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new business model called Digital Products 2.0, a method that has changed the way many people make money online. I know maybe you've tried dropshipping, spending months building a store, getting stuck in Facebook's jail, dealing with suppliers, shipping times, returns, or maybe you've tried affiliate marketing, competing with thousands of other affiliates and trying to figure out how to stand out. These old models all have big barriers. They're time-consuming, high-risk, and not exactly easy for beginners. But with the 2.0 model, everything has changed. It combines the best parts of old business models while eliminating the risks to create a faster, more effective path to profit. But before we dive into the details, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm an entrepreneur and a business coach, and I've been fortunate enough to run multiple successful online businesses over the last 5 years. So if you enjoy this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, because my goal is to empower at least 1 million people to build their dream life through entrepreneurship, and I can't do that without you. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to find winning products. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. If you were to search for digital products on a marketplace, you'd be met with hundreds of thousands of results. It would be impossible to determine which ones are best sellers or which ones are just okay. That's where JVI comes in. JVI stands for Just Validated. It's a platform that provides you with key data points to evaluate the performance of a product. Using JVI, you can identify digital products that are already generating significant revenue and have a high demand in the market. Let's illustrate this with an example. Let's say you're interested in the health and fitness niche. You can search for weight loss on JVI and explore a variety of products that fall within that category. From ebooks to courses to Notion templates, you'll find a range of options. Now let's dive into the analytics of one of these products, shall we? Let's click on the link and get redirected to the product page. As you can see, the product has generated over $200,000 in revenue. Additionally, there are numerous positive reviews from satisfied customers. Another great thing about JVI is its ability to analyze seasonal trends. For example, if you click on the calendar icon, you'll notice a spike in interest around certain periods, such as April, June, September, and December. These spikes indicate higher engagement and potential sales opportunities for products related to those seasons. By leveraging JVI, you can capitalize on seasonal trends by offering relevant digital products during peak interest times. Now, let's talk about the second core factor, using AI to create your product. No longer do you need to be an expert or spend months creating your own product. Thanks to advancements in AI technology, you can now create your own unique version of a proven product in just a few hours. How does this work? Well, let's dive into the magic of AI with Midjourney. After signing up for an account, you'll be able to generate text to image, meaning you can type in anything you want and the AI will create an image based on your description. And here's the best part. You can download the images for free. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. The Pro plan offers even more capabilities. With access to different AI models, you can enhance your creations with features like aspect ratios and additional prompt options. While the Pro plan may require a monthly fee, it's well worth the investment considering the time and cost savings it offers. One of the biggest advantages of using Midjourney is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing users to generate images effortlessly. The AI's creative capabilities open up endless possibilities. So whether you're looking for illustrations, graphics, or unique artwork, Midjourney has got you covered. Now let's take a closer look at how you can use Midjourney to enhance your digital product. When creating an ebook or course, for instance, you might want to include visually appealing images or illustrations. Instead of searching for royalty-free images online or hiring an artist, you can leverage Midjourney's AI capabilities to generate custom images that perfectly match your content. Simply describe the image you want and let the AI do the rest. This not only saves you time and money, but also allows you to create truly unique and memorable visuals for your digital products. Moving on to the third core factor, zero-risk marketing. Now that you've created your product, it's time to get it in front of customers without spending a single dime on ads. Enter influencer arbitrage, the secret weapon in your marketing arsenal. Instead of paying for expensive advertising campaigns, you'll partner with micro-influencers who already have a loyal and trusting audience. But you might be wondering, how does influencer arbitrage work? Well, it's a simple yet effective strategy. Micro-influencers are individuals who have built a strong following on social media platforms. They've established trust and credibility within their niche communities. By collaborating with these influencers, you can tap into their existing audience and promote your digital product to a highly targeted group of potential customers. It's like having your product featured by a trusted friend. Now let's talk about how much this magical collaboration costs. Unlike traditional influencer marketing where you pay a fixed fee, influencer arbitrage offers a unique approach. Instead of paying upfront, you agree to share a percentage of the sales generated through the influencer's unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation. The influencer earns a commission on the sales they drive, and you only pay when someone actually buys your product. This eliminates the risk and financial burden associated with marketing and advertising. Now you might be wondering, how can you find the right influencers for your product? Well, the answer lies in identifying influencers who align with your niche or target audience. For example, if you're promoting a digital product related to health and wellness, you'd want to connect with influencers who have a following in the fitness or nutrition space. Luckily, there are plenty of options to choose from. There are influencers on various social media platforms, each with their own unique audience. You can reach out to them through direct messages, email, or by connecting on professional networking sites. When reaching out, it's essential to propose a mutually beneficial partnership. Clearly explain your product and the commission structure, and be prepared to provide any necessary information or support. Remember, building strong relationships is key to successful influencer arbitrage. So there you have it, the 3 core factors of the Digital Products 2.0 model. Finding winning products using JVI, creating your product with AI tools like Midjourney, and leveraging influencer arbitrage for zero-risk marketing. This model is the perfect blend of simplicity and effectiveness. It allows you to avoid the common pitfalls of traditional business models while maximizing your chances of success. The best part about this model is its flexibility and scalability. You can choose to focus on one product or expand to multiple offerings. As your business grows, you can even explore paid advertising to reach a wider audience. However, remember that influencer marketing is still the king of organic reach, so don't underestimate its power. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment down below and hit the subscribe button. I've got detailed guides on each of these steps coming up soon. Stay tuned and get ready to embark on your online journey with us.